Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Subscribe if you haven't already, if you would like to watch videos like this, and also if you would like to watch other videos like me living the lifestyle of someone else and eating like them and dieting like them and working out like them, because I do videos like that too on this channel. On Sunday, it is Kendall Jenner. I'm gonna be living like her for a week, so stay tuned to watch that on Sunday. As you can see from the title, I'm so excited because today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make the most delicious vegan brownies on planet Earth that taste exactly like regular brownies. Actually, that's not true. They taste even better. I found this recipe online, so I will put the link to the recipe in the description box down below because I'm not taking credit for this. This is not my recipe. I just followed a recipe that I found online because I ain't that creative. If you would like to check that out, it will be down below. Last time I made a raw vegan cake. If you haven't seen that, you can go check that out right now. Link above my head. It is the most delicious cake ever. You will not regret it. Trust me, it's so sexy. Anyway, without further ado, here is how to make these sexy vegan brownies. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which you're gonna later mix with 6 tablespoons of water, 170 grams of wholemeal flour, 35 grams of cacao powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 35 grams of brown sugar. You can use coconut sugar, but I only had brown. 8 tablespoons of coconut oil, which you will later melt if it is not melted yet. Half a teaspoon of vanilla paste or a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 120 mils of almond milk or any other non-dairy milk, and stevia. You should use powdered one as the recipe says, but kinda didn't. And then 55 grams of chocolate chips. Also hazelnuts for decoration, because why not? Okay, grab those chia seeds. So you're gonna put them in a bowl like so. And then you're gonna grab water. And you wanna put 6 tablespoons of water into your chia seeds, and you're gonna mix that up to create chia eggs. Have you even heard of that? Because it is a thing. So mix that up and put it to the side to make some little eggs. Then grab your flour. I'm gonna pop it in like that, measure it to 170 grams, and you're gonna add that into a large bowl. Along with that, you're going to add your cacao powder, and then you're going to grab some baking powder and add that little teaspoon to the mixture. And then add the brown sugar. I don't know how many spoons 35 grams is. I guess it's 3? Yeah, okay, mix that up. Mix it, mix it, mix it. These are your dry ingredients, so mix those up. And then you're going to put those to the side, and you're gonna grab a separate bowl and add your coconut oil. So you're gonna wanna melt your coconut oil if it's not melted already. So just put in a few tablespoons of coconut oil and pop that into the microwave to melt it, so then you can measure exactly how much is 8 tablespoons. So here we're measuring it out, there we go, okay. And if you have any leftovers, you literally just pour that back into your jar, because when it's hard, it's difficult to measure. So get another bowl and add the wet ingredients, the coconut oil with the vanilla paste. Then grab the chia seeds that were chilling in the corner and add them to your mixture. They should be kind of fluffy now. Then you want to add the almond milk or whichever milk you're using. Yes, just add that to your mixture just like this, yes. And then add your stevia, which you're supposed to use powdered, it says in the recipe, but we kind of messed that up, so we just used the liquid one. Oops. And then you just mix everything together. It looks so weird, but trust me, it's good. So mix your wet ingredients with your dry ingredients like this, and it's starting to look like brownie mixture. Oh my god, it looks so good. I want to eat it. And yeah, so just mix that up, and then after you're gonna wanna add your chocolate chips, which is the last step. So, well, last step, 2 ingredients. So add those in and then mix it all around, and you can even lick the spoon because it's vegan. Yes. So mix that up, and then you're gonna wanna grab a tin and put oil in that. Okay, our tin is way too big. You are gonna want half of that size, but we didn't have anything, so our brownies turned out super thin and not cute. But if you only have a large tin, just double up the mixture and they will be nice and fluffy. If not, then it's cool. Just have thin brownies. No worries. And pop them in. Yes, look at that. Ooh, yes, good job, boyfriend. Nice. And this is how they turned out. Delicious, really nice, with a few hazelnuts on top and yum. Ugh, I wish I had some right now. I made these about a week ago and filmed it, and then me and my boyfriend ate them all. Also, if you put them in an airtight container, they last for like up to a week, I would even say. Maybe like 4 or 5 days is tops, I would say, but like probably a week. I mean, they probably won't even last a week because you'll eat them in like the first day because of me. The only thing that we didn't use that was vegan was the chocolate chips because we couldn't find any, but that is so easy to substitute. Just buy vegan chocolate chips. There literally were none in the store, so we couldn't. Everything else is vegan, and like chia eggs. Can we talk about chia eggs? Never heard of it before, but it is a thing, and it makes them so good, so chewy, and gives it a little crunch, which like sounds so weird, but it's amazing, trust me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what other things you would like to see me make. Would you like to see more like sweets and things like that, as in like cakes, cookies, and things, or would you rather see meals, full vegan meals or vegetarian meals or like Buddha bowls? Let me know. Comment down below so I know what you guys like to watch. Also, you can follow me on Instagram if you wish. This is my Instagram. Go check it out. I post on there too sometimes when I'm eating things or when I'm cooking things, just to share with you guys because I am so about that healthy, nutritional lifestyle. You are what you eat. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so I know that you like cooking videos like this, and that is all. Check out the recipe in the description box if you are interested. There will be a new video on Sunday, so stay tuned for that one. Subscribe if you haven't already to watch that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!